all, it's a very surprising. You have not become so old. Your children who have to eat properly, play properly, and run. And at this age, your fall means you don't have that much of stamina and you don't have your proper diet. Am I correct or no? So have your proper diet. And congratulations for the new head boys and head girls. And I appreciate all the old head boy, head girl, captain of the house for doing their best performance. At the same time, I want to tell you, it is not only the responsibility of head boys and head girls or the captain. It should be a coordination. That is, you have to get together and work. First of all, monitors in the class. They are just standing there and writing the name on the board. It doesn't make any difference to the other students. You have to behave properly in the class. Throwing paper. After the prayer gets over, when you leave the class, just check whether all the students have picked up their papers which they have littered in the classroom. Keep the classroom neat and clean. Switch off the fan light. Now this is not applicable for only to students. It is applicable for teachers also. See to that you switch off all the fans and lights before you leave the class when no one is there. It doesn't mean when somebody is there and you're switching there. I don't mean that. When no one is there, please switch off the fans and lights when it is not in use. And head boys and head girls on the class monitor, please check their names. Just now I saw students with a long nail. Keep your nails, your hair neat and tidy, well neat clothes. A first student standing in front of me is without belt. Wear proper uniform. Coming to school, it is, when you go for marriage, I don't think so you'll go with very untidy. Dress up properly and go to the marriage purpose or any function. Am I correct? Yes or no? If you go to mall, many students also roam about in the mall. Yes? So, please dress yourself properly when you come to school. Neatly. Tie your head. No hair should be hanging here and there. Girls, I find half of the hair will be hanging in front of their eyes. It is like fashion, but it is spoiling your eyes. When you sit and write or read, all the hair is coming right in front of your eyes. It is not good for the eyes. So tie your hair, pin up your hair, boys, polish your shoes, come neatly to school. And at the same time, prepare yourself for the exam. Many students are still there without completing their book. Teacher has to run behind them. Come on, complete your book, bring your calendar. But the response from the parents is, teacher calendar में कुछ भी नहीं लिख के देता है. बच्चा लेके आएगा तो लिख के देगा ना. When you don't bring the calendar, nobody is going to write anything. So, bring your calendar regularly. Complete your notebook, learn students. Your future is today what you are doing, it, your personality. How you are going to behave in front of teacher, give respect to teacher. Still there are students using a lot of abusive languages, fighting with one another in the class. I can show you in the camera. But my looking at you all every time in the camera, it doesn't look nice. And you are losing your freedom. Students at this age, there is a right time where you play, you make mischief, you make joke. It doesn't mean that you hurt the feelings of other, you don't respect the teachers. Talk friendly with everyone. Teachers are, if you behave nicely, teachers are very friendly with you all. Teachers want you all to study, to come up in future, keep up the name of the school. So kindly follow it and have a good day. Prepare yourself for the examination. If you don't write it properly, you have to attend re-exams again and again. And if you don't come, surely you are going to fail it. So don't copy, prepare yourself and do well, all the best for your exam.